Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Idiom's origin. Ever had to begin a big project with absolutely nothing? No resources, no blueprints, nothing? You had to start from scratch. It's a phrase about fundamental beginnings, but what's its simple, competitive origin rooted in the world of sports? Let's trace this line, meaning and origin. First, let's look at the meaning. To start from scratch means to begin a process, project, or endeavor from the very beginning, without any prior preparation, advantage, or existing resources. It means starting with nothing but raw potential. The origin of this phrase is literal and comes from 19th century competitive sports, specifically foot races and boxing/prize fighting. The starting line, races and foot races, especially those held on dirt or grass fields, the official starting line was often just a line literally scratched or drawn into the ground, often with a stick or spade. Runners had to position themselves directly behind this scratch mark. If a runner started ahead of this line, they were given an unfair advantage. Therefore, starting from scratch meant starting from the true beginning with zero head start. The bare minimum. The phrase also appeared in the context of boxing, where a fighter would sometimes be required to literally toe the scratch, a line drawn in the center of the ring, to begin the match. The sense of starting an intense contest with the bare minimum, just the line and the self, cemented the idiom's meaning of starting with absolutely nothing but the basics. This idiom powerfully captures the concept of a true, fundamental beginning where every effort must be built up from zero. Modern usage and examples. Today, we use to start from scratch in many different contexts. When the old hard drive crashed, we lost all the client data, so the entire team had to start from scratch on the project. The successful entrepreneur didn't inherit any wealth. She built her company from scratch with just one idea. I forgot my recipe book, so I had to guess the ingredients and make the sauce from scratch. Conclusion. So, the next time you face a challenge that requires you to build something from the ground up, remember this dynamic idiom. It's a simple, profound phrase that celebrates the courage of a fundamental beginning. That's it for this episode of the Idiom's origin. What other rural or simple idioms are you curious about? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more fascinating linguistic journeys.